Arecanut trees. Also known as Paku or Adaka in South India, especially in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, are a cash-rich crop. In those days, the areca nut leaves were simply wasted, but now using modern machines, the disposable plates have been manufactured. ARS Engineering is one of the pioneers in making areca nut plates manufacturing machines. With their innovative novel design, they introduced two-in-one machine, in which two dies can be operated in a single die machine. This will save time, space, cost, and energy. Instead of one plate which usually been manufactured in 1 minute, this unique ARS Engineering two-in-one machine can manufacture 2 plates in 1 minute. The cost of this two-in-one machine being nominal, this ARS Engineering areca nut plates manufacturing machine is a phenomenal breakthrough, as almost double the output can be achieved for the same investment.